Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today our topic is cluster headache. As you can easily watch in this picture that it sports on one eye, whether it is right or whether it is left, but it only targets the one eye spot. It is called cluster headache. Now we are going to study the definition. What is a cluster headache is about? Cluster headache is a very severe type of headache that usually occurs on one side of the head, especially around the eye. As I showed you the picture as well, it happens in repeated cycles, so that's why it is called cluster, meaning the pain comes frequently for weeks or months. It can repeat after weeks, it can repeat itself after months, followed by period of relief. What in comes once it comes and you can take the medicines, it goes, and it comes again after a few weeks or after a few months, after having the relief duration after every spot. So cluster headache is a severe type of a headache. Only homeopathic medicine can give you the relief permanently, but it never comes again after getting the medicine of homeopathic. Now we are going to study the symptoms of the cluster headache. Number one, severe one side pain, whether it is on right eye or whether it is on left eye. You can feel that someone is nailing in your eye, nailing as we nail in the wall. And when you feel this cluster headache, that you feel that someone is pressurizing the nail in your eye, pressurizing a type of a pencil in your eye, pressurizing a type of a very sharp edge thing in your eye. It feels like that when a person has got the cluster headache. Eye redness or watering, definitely it is a part of the headache. If you have got the cluster headache, if you are not the patient of high blood pressure and you are getting the cluster headache, your eye become reds and it watering, means the water comes out frequently when you have got the cluster headache. Nasal congestion, you feel that sometimes one side of the nose and the second side of the nose are blocked, and you can never breathe easily and you can feel difficulty in breathing. So nasal congestion is a common type of symptom when you have got the cluster headache, because it impacts such area, your nose, your eye, whether it is a right, whether it is a left, and your forehead as well. Your frontal face is completely infected in cluster headache, and it generates nasal congestion. And the second symptom at number 4, it's running nose. Sometimes it is a congestion in the nose, and sometimes the nose runs frequently, that it flows the water from the nose and you feel like a coryza, like a flu from your nose, and the water comes out from your nose frequently. Restlessness, just because of this pain, because it pins in your eye and you never get relaxation for the long duration. So the restless is the another symptom. Number 6, attacks in cycle. So that's why it is called cluster, as I told you earlier. Now I'm giving you the name of the 2 best homeopathic medicine. Those are very much effective in cluster headache. The number 1 is Spigellia and the second is Sanguinaria. Both of the medicine can be used in 200 power potency. And how can it be used? So the procedure, how to use the medicine, is written in my description. Go to the description, check the complete procedure of how to use these 2 medicines. Important thing is that if your case is chronic and difficult or not getting cured for a long time, the cluster headache, you are getting the lots of medicines and medication, but even if still you are feeling the cluster headache, then there is only one thing, that you should make contact with the Dr. Mukarram at my WhatsApp number and give me the complete detail of your cluster headache symptoms and talk to me clearly. I'll suggest you the complete homeopathic formula. In this formula there are 3 bottles, and each bottle can carry 3 homeopathic medicine at a high power. So it is a combination of 9 to 10 homeopathic medicine if your case is chronic, difficult, and you are not getting cured in an easiest way. But if your case is starting or initial, then you should take the medicine which I have told you in this video earlier, and you can use the procedure. But if your case is chronic, then you may contact my contact number through WhatsApp. Tell me the whole symptoms, I'll give you the suggestion. For the last 10 years I'm doing online consultation, and thousands of the patients from Pakistan and all over the world can be cured easily by this formula. And alhamdulillah, Allah gave them shifa, and inshallah I hope so that you will also be cured by the help of this formula. Thank you very much for watching this video. Allah Hafiz.